So let's recap this section, and then we will move on to the third pillar on data. So in this section on our phases, the first thing we talked about was the layers. So we talked about 3 different layers for the company or the organization. So our incoming, our current, and outgoing. Then we talked about how in each of those layers are funnels, and that those funnels allow for movement through the layer. And then we can take each of those funnels and we can break the steps down of those funnels into processes. And here we're labeling that as a phygital process because we're looking at taking something physical and replicating it in a digital world. And then the last thing we talked about were the devices and the software, and some things to look out for when looking at phases and how devices and software fit into those phases. So for this section, the next steps are 1, go through and list the funnels. So looking at the digital experience matrix, run through and list all of the funnels that you can think of and lay them out for your organization. After you've listed the funnels, then go through the reflection, and there's some things that you can reflect on what we have covered in order to apply it to your organization. And then once you are done with that, we will move on to pillar 3 and start talking about data.